Hey, welcome back. My name is Adrian and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a Saturday morning. Weather's looking quite good actually today. So I've decided today I'm going to give my daily driver, the R32, a good little clean. It's been a tough winter and being winter we tend to not clean our car as often. So it's about time. I think it needs a good little clean. I mean, given my kind of standards on how clean a car should be, this is actually very poor. We'll have a little look around and show you how bad it is at the moment. Okay, right, let's spin the camera around. Alright, so let's have a look at what we're working with today. I'm going to start by having a look at the back of the car, as it does look like the worst part of the car that needs the most work. You can probably see straight away, rear screen window looks horrendous. There's like a film of filth covering the whole rear window, and then you can see here where I've used screen wash to clean the part of the window where it does clean, to regain my visibility at the back. And where the car should be silver, it looks like a matte grey at the back, and pretty much can't see my number plate anymore. I'm gonna have a look at the sides now. Wheels covered in brake dust, filth, anything you can think of. The rear brake caliper does not look as bad as the front, because you can actually see it's still blue at the back. Side skirts, like a different tone compared to the top. Mirrors, watermarks. Roof doesn't look too bad, but let's go to the front. Let's see, front wheels, so a bit of a stain on the front number plate. I did at some point use some waterless car washing solution, so at that time I just used it as a temporary solution so I can stick a camera on the bonnet. And I didn't really polish it off properly, so then it's left some of the waterless cleaning solution still on the bonnet. So got a bit of work. So this is what we'll be working with. I'm going to get started and show you some of the stuff I'll be using to tackle the car today. Okay, so I'm going to go over some of the products I'll be using. Just an FYI, I am not sponsored by Auto Finesse, the brand, which is the brand I mainly use to clean my car. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't get products from them. I don't get any sort of commission from them. So it's just that I've been using their products for quite a long time, and it's just what I know best and my preference in terms of car cleaning products. So I'm going to go over some of the stuff I'll be using, starting with everything in the middle. So firstly, this big bottle here, it's called Citrus Power. It's like a pre-wash solution, so before I rinse the car or the wheels, I'll give this a mist over the wheels, the car's body, and it just kind of like helps, gets rid of any tough stains, like bugs or grime, and then makes it a bit easier to rinse off, and so it makes work a bit easier for you when you come down to actually cleaning the car. Got here, which is a wheel cleaner, Imperial, and Iron Out, which is like a decontaminant solution. So this is kind of like almost my pre-wash kind of stuff. In terms of car shampoo, my main shampoo bucket, I'll be using this, and then my foaming solution, I'll be using this. So once the car's all done, my post-wash stuff, I've got this, which I'll be dressing up the wheels with, and then I've got this, which is kind of like a finishing solution, kind of like a spray wax basically, and it's quite good. This because you don't really need to use a lot of it, and it's quite effective in getting rid of any sort of watermarks where the car's dried up with some watermarks, and it gets rid of those watermarks and also leaves the car shining quite nice as well. Alright, before I get started, I'll give you a few top tips just to help you along your journey in terms of washing your car, making life a bit easier for yourself. One, always check the weather. Last thing you want happening is for it to rain whilst you're washing your car. Two, always have some food before. You don't want to start washing your car on an empty stomach and just be very low on energy. Three, have a bottle of water somewhere nearby. Stay hydrated. Four, when you're washing your wheels, I tend to like having a small stool to help me when I'm washing my wheels. I don't like being on my knees or standing up when I'm washing my wheels, because I find it's not very good on my lower back. So if you can, invest in a cheap small stool, sit down whilst you're washing your wheels. It's so much easier on the lower back. And did I have everything? Got weather, food, water, stool. Oh, one last thing, if you don't have a fancy jet washer like myself, and you want something that is going to help you foam up the car with snow foaming solution, then pick up one of these things. They're probably about £20. Good car detailing websites sell them as well. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to mix up some of these solutions and we're going to get started, okay? Catch you in a bit. Alright, all done now, so let's have a look around the car and see what we've done and see how amazing she looks right now. Cool, so let's start off from where we started off last time, and let's start from the back again. So as you can see, that horrendous film of filth is all gone now, and you can pretty much see the reflection of the house from the rear view window. You can also see what colour the back of the car actually is. It's actually silver and not dark matte grey. The car has a lovely shine to it. The sun's actually just come out, so you can see the car has a lovely shine to it. You can see the reflections of all the other houses on the road. You can actually see let's get a better angle somewhere else if we can. But let's have a walk around so you can get a good view of how nice and shiny the and just squeeze through here. All sides looking amazing. The wheels are looking really good. got rid of all the grime around the side skirt. The car's looking great, right? Cool. Alright. Cool, what do you think? So, she's looking great, right? I'm very happy with the end result. Time well spent. Shiny, clean, happy. Alright, so just to reiterate, or if I've not already mentioned, products I've used in the video, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I've used many brands and it's just that I just so happen to prefer using this brand. I've used them quite some time and it's just that I'm comfortable using their products and it just works best for how I want to clean my car. Cool, so what do I have planned for the future? So in the future I'm planning to do some videos in regards to fixing some of the imperfections on the car, some few chips and everything, well, a few chips and things here and there that's been bothering me since I've owned the vehicle, so I'm hoping to sort that out at some point, so maybe I'll do a video on that in the future. And also planning to do a very deep clean of the vehicle at some point, and then also machine polish the car and do a very good wax. So I've not done that since I've owned the vehicle. I've not owned her for very long anyways, I think since October if I remember correctly, so I've only done a few quick cleans here and there, spray on wax, so because the weather's not been great since I've owned the vehicle anyway, so I'm planning to do a very big deep clean, machine polish, actual proper wax on the car just to give it a good protection on the vehicle. So watch this space. Hopefully at some point I'll get that done and you were to see that and see how I do it. Cool. Alright, thanks for watching the video this week. Hope you like it. Make sure you do like it if you do like it, and please subscribe. Love you all. See you next week.